Hi girls and ladies, this is a special video for women out there. Yes, today I am going to discuss about the breast cancer and the complete breast health. To start with, let's discuss what are the signs of the breast cancer. The number one sign could be the touch sensation where you can feel a tumor or elevated portion of your breast while taking bath. But this could only happen when you have a skin touch during bath. People nowadays use loofah or foam where you could miss this sensation to diagnose with this in earlier stages. The number two sign could be any skin discoloration or skin proliferation, sometimes even pigmentation over the breast can be a sign of breast cancer. The number three is inverted nipple, where the nipple gets inverted instead of pooping out is a major signs and symptom of breast cancer. And number four, some might have unbearable pain in the breast with nipple discharge, that is especially the blood from the nipple, and few might have the same pain in the armpit because the nearest lymph node of the breast is the armpit. So if you have any of the above symptom, it is better you go for a breast checkup with a mammogram. Now let's see what could be the causes of breast cancer. The number one, improper or reduced blood supply to the breast because of usage of tight brace the women's use. And most of the people nowadays use wide bras where the blood supply to the breast is being reduced gradually, resulting in lack of blood supply, hence the oxygen, and due to this the breast cells are not rejuvenated and hence it causes cell damage resulting in cancer. Number two is the high levels of estrogen in case of PCOS. The PCOS is nothing but the matured eggs storing inside the ovary causes lot of estrogen release, which in turn is responsible for any breast cyst or lump or breast cancer. Number three is high usage of contraceptive pills nowadays, that is people take steroid estrogen and steroid progesterone to get their periods regularly. So in this case, the high levels of these steroids could cause breast cancer. Now let's see how could we avoid the breast cancer. Number one, avoid the usage of wide bras, and even you can substitute with soft padded bras. Number two, get rid of PCOS soon, naturally, so that the high levels of estrogen because of PCOS will not make you into trouble with the breast cancer. Number three, avoid using contraceptive pills because the steroid estrogen and the progesterone you take could definitely cause breast cancer, which is already proven in many of the research. Try to give a soft and smooth massage to the breast yourself while taking bath so that it can regularize the blood supply evenly to the breast to avoid breast cancer. And if possible, you can always use turmeric powder because the turmeric has a curcumin, which is an anti-cancerous agent. So this can be applied as a pack to the breast at least weekly once, or you can mix this turmeric powder to some bath powder known as nalangu maavu, which can be regularly used throughout the body, where you can just scrub with this powder, makes the lymphatic system cleansed as well as increases the blood supply to avoid any type of cancer. Women who give birth, that is during the lactating time, please feed your newborn with the breast milk, because if you fail to do so for any other reason, then you may have breast cancer because of excess milk production staying inside, along with the high estrogen and prolactin levels could end up in breast cancer. Hope you all know the cancer cells are present within almost all the human beings, but the level when it goes high makes a cancer lump, particularly in the area where there is no blood supply or less blood supply. So in this case, one should have regular bowel movements and avoid constipation, because regular bowel movements help in cleansing the cancer cells daily basis to avoid cancer. And the other thing, you can substitute your food with a healthy anti-cancerous foods. That is, you can have a amla juice daily morning in an empty stomach, or sometimes you can mix turmeric powder along with long pepper powder, because the curcumin in the turmeric and the piperine in the long pepper will act as an anti-cancerous. Hence, you can start your day with mixing quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and quarter teaspoon of long pepper powder in hot water, and if you feel it so spicy, then you can always add 1 tablespoon of honey to it, which would be a healthy start in the early morning. Avoid deep fried items or frequently used or frequently reheated oils, since because when you heat the oil higher than its smoking point, then it could emit blue fumes, which are all cancer causing agents. Hope you all find this video useful. If you have any doubts or comments, you can just leave it in the comment section below. And you can always choose the topic to be discussed in my next video by leaving a question out there. Thanks for watching.